So looking back at 2024, two of the biggest successes, I guess, were, of course, NVIDIA and Broadcom, but you have to go all the way to 2023 to see when they first came up. January 17, 2023, you can see NVIDIA was mentioned. Now, I didn't know it was going to go up as much as it did. If I knew that, I would have mentioned it and no others. Obviously, that was on my private Telegram channel for members of the Great Investments Program. And then May the 2nd, 2023 was Broadcom, which in all admission, it was AI which found. So you might say, well, Alpesh, that makes you very lucky that AI found Broadcom for you. Yep, fair enough. What we do is we put all our data into AI just for fun to see if we've missed anything, and Broadcom happened to come up all the way back in May 2023. And then January 2023 was NVIDIA alongside others like a Tesla and Disney, which was sort of, wasn't that great. But the point with all of that is this: if we knew how much something's going to go up, we would have just picked that one stock. We didn't. That's why you have more than one stock. The other thing, I guess, the takeaway from all of that is do have a look at alpeshpatel.com/links and follow me on the private Telegram channel. Of course, these picks came on, on the public Telegram channel. I'm just going to do something. These all came up on the private one, which is for members of the Great Investments Program. There we go, a bit more light. Let there be light in your portfolios as well going forward, and maybe illuminated on what to do with the market. Thank you very much.